Good morning, children. So, the solution of the program that I have given as homework is to download a CSV file, that is an open source CSV file, and perform aggregate function and plot graphs. So, here we will first import the pandas library and then matplot library. Then I will import a CSV file called household expenditure, which I have downloaded. Then print the data frame. Then we have to perform aggregate function such as sum, minimum, maximum. So total expenditure I am calculating. We have a column exp, so total expenditure I am calculating df of xp, that is from the data frame df, from the column exp compute the sum using the sum function, that is df square bracket exp, that is exp is a column in the data frame df. Then to find the sum we have the function sum, so it is applied as dot sum. Then print total expenditure, so the value sum calculated value is stored in the variable total underscore sum. This calculated value is stored in the variable total underscore exp. Now we have to print the total expenditure, that is equal to total exp, that is this value will be displayed here. Now total equivalent expenditure, that is another column in the table in this CSV file. So we will calculate the sum of equivalent expenditure. Then the minimum expenditure, that is df of exp dot maximum max, to find the maximum expenditure, and the minimum expenditure df of exp dot min. Then the total equivalent expenditure, that there is a column exp equ for finding the equivalent expenditure. So it is stored in this variable and it will be displayed here. Then the maximum equivalent expenditure, it is displayed here. It is calculated as df of eqv underscore exp, that is the column name of the data frame df dot max. Then the minimum expenditure, same as the maximum, that is instead of max we use the function min, that is df of in square bracket this column name whose minimum value is to be found out. Then we have to plot a graph. So here I am plotting a line graph showing the expenditure value, and the another graph, and in the same graph another line showing the equivalent expenditure. That is how the value of expenditure and equivalent expenditure are varying. Then plt.show to display the graph. So let us see the output. So this is the first blue one is the equivalent value and orange color is the blue one is the expenditure and orange color is the equivalent expenditure. So it is a line graph showing the variation of equivalent expenditure and expenditure. And this is our CSV data frame that has been imported from the CSV file household. So we have plotted this expenditure column and equivalent expenditure column. So these dotted lines indicate that in between these two columns there are large number of columns, and here also large number of rows are present in between. You can see there are 498 rows. Then you can see total expenditure is calculated, maximum expenditure, minimum expenditure, then total equivalent expenditure, then maximum equivalent expenditure, and minimum equivalent expenditure. Okay, thank you children.